Presenting to you SHUSMEEHYHA.
Good day. My name is SHUSMEEHYHA. I am 7 years old. This holiday I learned about seeds. Let me share with you my journey. Day 1, I learned about edible seeds. I smelled, felt, and ate them. We did a small experiment with the recycled pots. We put salt and put the seeds inside and put water so it grows. And then we squirt a bit of water inside. Sprouted a bit of water inside so the roots will grow in the greens. Flax, tomato, the seed are flaxseed, green peas, sunflower seed, melon seed, fenugreek seed, and sesame seed. Day 2, I learned about part of the fruit and seeds. With such like pomegranate, star fruit, and strawberry. We cut open the fruit and look for the seeds and separate them in plate. We enjoy eating the fruits. Day 3, I learned how to make a plant with the seed. This is the seed, and this is the skin. The skin protects the seed from damage. Thank you. Have a great day.